Okay, I've wired up the 3.3 volt regulator. It's actually a TO220 package off the packing slip. Anyway, you might want to know what these wires are from just pulling a power cable out of my computer. Red is 5 volts, black is ground, so the yellow is red. It probably should be red, but you know, I only had a long yellow cable left, and black is black. The 12 volts on this one is the yellow over here, so hopefully that doesn't confuse. It's actually the 5 volts that I'm pulling off of. And so, as you can see, from left to right is pin 1, 2, 3, and pin 1 is ground, pin 2 is output, and pin 3 is input. As you can see, the yellow cable comes in here, and then I have my probe coming in to here, and it says we're 5.03 volts. That's awesome, which is kind of what we'd expect from a 5 volt line. And there's a capacitor from the output to the ground and from the input to the ground. They are 10 microfarad tantalum capacitors, so they're for power usage. The tantalums, I think, are better than the other ones, which look like cylinders. I don't have any available to look at this point in time, but apparently they're good for power applications. Anyway, so that was the input, 5 volts. Ta-da! Now we'll move this pin from the input at pin 3 to the output at pin 2. I'll just get it in there, and we can see we now have 3.24 volts. It's not quite 3.3, but I'm sure it'll do. So yeah, there you go, voltage regulator. Very easy to wire up to get 3.3 volts from 5, and apparently this large piece here is an output too. I'm not really sure, but there's like no heat dissipation from it. Just stick my finger all over it. Not hot at all. So there we go. Just a quick one today. Thanks.